Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the ocean and exploring the top 5 best underwater drones in 2025. Whether you're a beginner, a professional filmmaker, or just someone who's curious about what lies beneath, these drones are here to give you an up-close look. So, stay tuned as we unveil the perfect underwater companions, from beginner-friendly models to the most advanced options available. And, of course, don't forget to check out the links in the description below for the best deals on these amazing underwater drones. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Chasing Innovation Dory. Perfect for beginners, this compact and affordable underwater drone is easy to control and comes with a user-friendly app that lets you explore up to 49 feet below the surface. With its dual powerful LED lights, you can capture stunning footage even in low-light conditions. Ideal for anyone looking to dip their toes into underwater exploration without breaking the bank. With the included buoy, tether, and portable backpack, Chasing Dory is always ready for action, whether you're diving, fishing, or simply exploring with friends and family. Designed to capture stunning visuals in pristine underwater environments, Chasing Dory features a f/1.6 lens that ensures bright and clear images at depths of up to 49 feet. Its innovative depth-keeping mode provides steady shots, while the 45-degree tilt function lets you adjust for unique, dynamic angles. The integrated 16GB TF card and GPS enable seamless data storage and location tracking. Control Chasing Dory directly from your smartphone or the Bluetooth remote control. With the app, you can easily steer, adjust angles, and use the two-player mode to let one person handle photography while another navigates. Dive lights with dual 250 lumen power enhance your view, capturing every underwater detail. Plus, share your adventures instantly with built-in one-click sharing and 19 fun image filters to bring your photos to life. Free from heavy dive equipment, you can enjoy pure exploration with ease and share those incredible underwater moments with friends and family, all in real time. With Chasing Dory, the ocean awaits. At number 4, we have the PowerVision PowerRay Wizard. Known as the best all-around underwater drone, the PowerRay Wizard combines innovative tech with top-quality design, offering incredible 4K UHD footage. It comes with a VR headset for an immersive experience, giving you the feeling of diving alongside fish without getting wet. Plus, with its depth of up to 98 feet, this is an ideal choice for adventurers and enthusiasts alike. Discover the depths in stunning detail with the PowerVision PowerRay underwater drone camera. Crafted for diving, fishing, and boating enthusiasts, this sleek white 4K drone camera captures crystal clear underwater footage and brings a new level of exploration to your adventures. With the PowerRay's advanced 4K video capture and H.264 format, you'll record every underwater moment in high-definition clarity, making it ideal for videographers and ocean enthusiasts alike. Equipped with USB connectivity for seamless data transfers, this underwater drone is straightforward to operate and designed with ease of use in mind. At 3.8 kilograms, the PowerRay is durable and robust, able to explore various depths and handle diverse environments. Enjoy the convenience of flash media storage, so your memories are safely stored for easy access and sharing. Whether you're capturing stunning underwater scenes or scouting your next catch, the PowerVision PowerRay brings technology and nature together for an unforgettable experience. Coming in at number 3 is the Geneinno T1, our pick for the best premium underwater drone. Built for serious underwater enthusiasts, the T1 boasts a depth capability of up to 492 feet, making it perfect for deep-sea exploration. This drone is equipped with a robust 4K camera, as well as an attachable robotic arm, allowing you to capture the most unique shots and even interact with objects underwater. It's ideal for professionals looking for unmatched versatility and quality. The Geneinno T1 underwater drone camera is designed for professional-grade underwater exploration, inspection, yachting, and educational use. This vibrant orange ROV combines cutting-edge technology with an intuitive experience, allowing you to dive into underwater worlds with ease. Equipped with a powerful 4K UHD camera and 360 degrees attitude control, the T1 captures stunning visuals from any angle, offering real-time viewing, streaming, and recording so you won't miss a single moment. This high-performance drone features Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity for a seamless user experience, along with a live video feed for real-time observation. Designed for the professional adventurer, the Geneinno T1 includes a durable buoy, counterweight, and charging accessories, making it ready for even the most challenging underwater environments. Whether you're conducting inspections, capturing marine life, or advancing educational initiatives, the Geneinno T1 is your ultimate companion for deep-sea exploration. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Chasing Innovation Gladius Mini. This compact but powerful underwater drone dives up to 330 feet and offers high-quality 4K resolution, making it a great option for those wanting top-notch visuals. The Gladius Mini's 5-thruster design allows it to navigate seamlessly through strong currents, and with its impressive battery life, you can enjoy up to 2 hours of continuous underwater adventure. The Chasing Gladius Mini S is an upgraded professional underwater drone crafted for serious underwater explorers and professionals. Featuring an impressive 4K resolution camera with EIS anti-shake technology, the Mini S captures ultra-smooth, high-definition footage, even in challenging underwater conditions. With a dive depth of up to 330 feet and a 660-foot tether, this drone allows you to explore deep waters with ease. Equipped with both remote and app controls, the Mini S offers a versatile and seamless navigation experience, while its patent-pending motor jam prevention technology ensures uninterrupted performance. Designed for extended use, it delivers an outstanding 4-hour runtime per charge, making it perfect for long exploration sessions. The Mini S also supports multiple mounts, including an attachable mechanical arm for added versatility. Packaged with a premium backpack for easy transport, the Chasing Gladius Mini S is ideal for anyone at an intermediate skill level looking to capture stunning underwater footage, conduct inspections, or enhance their yachting adventures. Dive into the unknown with confidence and capture the depths like never before. And finally, taking the crown at number 1, we have the QYSEA Fifish V6 Expert. This is the ultimate underwater drone for professionals and explorers alike. With its 6 thrusters, 360-degree range of motion, and a 4K HDR camera, the V6 Expert delivers the sharpest visuals and smoothest movements underwater. Dive as deep as 328 feet and use the optional accessories to enhance your dives, like the QYSEA VR goggles, which provide an experience unlike any other. If you want the absolute best in underwater exploration, the QYSEA Fifish V6 Expert is the drone for you. The Fifish QYSEA V6 Expert M200A takes underwater exploration to the next level, combining cutting-edge technology with robust performance. Featuring a 4K UHD camera and AI vision lock for intelligent tracking, this portable ROV captures incredibly detailed underwater footage, perfect for expert-level inspections, research, or exploration. With an impressive dive capability of up to 660 feet and a 6-hour working time, the V6 Expert is designed for intensive, extended underwater projects. Equipped with a powerful robotic arm and Q interface for expanded functionality, this underwater drone adapts to various tasks, offering precise maneuverability and ease of control. The durable industrial-grade case keeps your equipment secure and ready for transport to any dive site. Ideal for professionals, the Fifish QYSEA V6 Expert provides unmatched underwater capabilities for expert users seeking precision, power, and reliability in a compact ROV package. And there you have it, the top 5 best underwater drones in 2025. Whether you're a beginner, an enthusiast, or a pro, there's something on this list for everyone. If you're ready to take your adventures below the surface, check out the links in the description for more details and the latest prices. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more top tech picks, and let us know in the comments, which underwater drone would you love to try? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.